Ever wondered what a web application is? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery. Picture this. You're using your favorite social media platform, booking a hotel room, or even checking your bank balance online. What you're interacting with in these instances is a web application. So, what exactly is a web application? In simple terms, a web application is a computer program that uses web browsers and web technology to perform tasks over the internet. It's like a website, but with added functionality that allows you to do more than just read static information. It's dynamic, interactive, and designed to respond to user input. Imagine a chef in a kitchen. Think of a website as the menu, a static list of what's available. A web application, on the other hand, is the chef, dynamically responding to your order and preparing your meal just the way you like it. Web applications are everywhere in today's digital landscape. They're in your email inbox, your online shopping cart, your music streaming platform, and much more. One of the key aspects of web applications is that they run on remote servers and are accessed via the internet. This means you don't need to download anything to use them, saving valuable space on your device. They're also platform independent, meaning they can be accessed from any device, be it a desktop, laptop, or smartphone, as long as there's an internet connection. Another notable characteristic is their ability to process and store data. Every time you post a status update, make an online reservation, or carry out a financial transaction, the web application is processing the information you provide, storing it securely, and retrieving it when needed. In summary, a web application is a dynamic, interactive platform that you access via the internet. It performs tasks, processes, and stores data, and can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. So the next time you check your email, stream your favorite song, or make a purchase online, remember, you're interacting with a web application. It's the chef in the digital kitchen, making your online experience more engaging, productive, and enjoyable.